Hey, welcome back. Let's take a look at another topic called stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is very important in chemistry. Stoichiometry is the main way that we can relate chemicals to each other. If I was going to summarize the point of stoichiometry, I would say that it relates chemicals together using mole ratios. These mole ratios will be found in the chemical equations for the reactions. This is why it was so important to be able to balance equations previously. Let's take a look at mole ratios. We need to know how to create mole ratios given chemical equations. Here's an example equation, very simple one. I'll write out the equation first and get the product. Make sure all that my compounds are correct. And then I'll go back and balance. Only I will change the color to blue so that you will notice these are the coefficients that I'm changing. These coefficients represent molar amounts for the chemicals. These coefficients are what I'm going to use to write my molar ratios. So, nitrogen to hydrogen would be a 1:3 ratio. The conversion factor I would create in this case is 1 mole nitrogen over 3 moles hydrogen. Just like with any other fraction, I could switch this to 3/1 if necessary. Another ratio would be nitrogen to ammonia. I see a 1 in front of nitrogen, so I put it there. I see a 2 in front of ammonia, 1:2. Now, as I write my conversion factor, 1 mole of nitrogen on top, 2 moles of ammonia on bottom. Once again, I could flip this around if necessary to 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. The last unique ratio is hydrogen to ammonia. There's a 3 in front of hydrogen, so it will be a 3:2 ratio. This means I will put 3 on top, so 3 moles of hydrogen on top for my conversion factor. And I will have 2 moles of ammonia on bottom. And once again, these are all fractions, and we could flip the numbers around depending upon the calculations needed. There are 3 different kind of conversions that can occur in these reactions. Each one of them requires a mole ratio because moles are how we relate things. We cannot relate things in grams. So the first kind of conversion we will do is grams A, meaning whatever they give you, to moles B, meaning the compound they're asking for. Another one, which is very simple, is moles A to another compound, moles B. The longest conversion, going from grams A of the given to grams B of the unknown. There'll be more videos to come showing each of these conversions. See you next time. Bye-bye.